Do you know what sizes I have taken for this house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan of this tiny house, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 2 bedroom tiny house design. The total area I have taken is, the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 26 feet in meter 8 meter. In the front we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide outdoor sitting area and a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window, and also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is a 2 bedroom tiny house design you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.